Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Ta-da! There's a lot of questions been asked over a period of time. What kind of nails do I use for the J-channel on the bottom of skirting? This would be too big. Don't need an 82-cent nail or a 92-cent nail. I mean, you could do it, but it's just not worthwhile. This is 28 cents. It's okay. And this is 28 cents. It's got ribs on it. That's pretty close, but we don't need those ribs. Those stinking ribs. 68 cents. It's way too big. So we're gonna go with something like these timber galvanized 6-inch. And in this case, just for 10 pounds, it is $30. That's a lot of money. But here we go. That's what we'll do. 6 inches long, and we'll see if we can't tie things to the ground. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.